Welcome back to another F-Works episode, and today we have the 2017 Q5 3.0, and today it's in for a fresh set of new spark plugs, and we're also going to be changing the oil. So tag along and see how we get this done today. Let's go ahead and pause for a moment. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, share the video, and now we can move on with the video. Alright guys, we're going to be starting from bank 1, which is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Then we're going to be making our way to the second bank, which is located driver's side. Please take note of all the coil packs you guys take out, label them 1 through 6. I'm going to show you guys how I organize my coil packs. Go ahead and get your T15. There are going to be 2 screws holding the harness. Take those off and put those to the side. Go ahead and grab you 2 flathead screwdrivers. One of them you're going to push down on that tab. You're going to hear a click noise. Once you hear a click noise, you can use the second flathead and push down on the connector. Just be very careful not to break it. Once you unclip all the connectors, move the harness to the side. That way you have a clearance to pull out the coil packs. Alright guys, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Trying to take these coil packs, I was having a very difficult time trying to take them out. They were stuck on there. I even used the flathead screwdriver to take them out. I was prying it against the valve cover. Just be very careful not to damage the cover. Alright guys, I found an easier way to take these coil packs out. Get yourself a 1/4 extension. You're going to put it right behind the coil pack, and then you're going to use the valve cover to use as leverage to pry it up. Just be very careful. You'll be amazed how easily they'll come up. Let me show you. Alright, for cylinder number 1, you're going to have to undo the intake hose and then slowly pull up on the air box. That way it's going to give you clearance to be able to remove that coil pack. You don't have to remove the air box completely. On this side, you're going to have to take 2 10mm bolts from the top, take the hose off, to be able to get this. We're going to be using a 5/8. This is what I was talking about, arranging all your coil packs, label them all 1 through 6 as I did. Spark plug number 4 was slightly wet. That was the only one out of all the spark plugs that was wet. Also, these spark plugs were the original plugs that came with the vehicle, so they were definitely long overdue. Today we are going with the Laser Platinum NGKs that I picked up from FCP Euro. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box if you guys are interested. I'm going to go ahead and clean up all the coil packs, and we're going to also use the Dialect grease on all the boots. I also forgot to mention I removed all the spark plugs for video demonstration purposes only. You can do them one at a time. Go ahead and put your reservoir back in place. Install the return hose for the reservoir. Install the two 10mm nuts that hold the reservoir in place. Everything is complete with the spark plugs. Now we're gonna move on to the oil change. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and do that now. Once under the vehicle, you're gonna see a bunch of T-star bolts. I believe they are T25. You're gonna go ahead and remove them all to remove the pan. That's gonna give you access to the drain plug. Go ahead and get your oil drain pan, and you're also going to get a 6mm Allen socket to remove the drain plug. While we wait for this oil to drain out, we're gonna go back to the top, go ahead and remove the oil filter. Before doing that, I suggest putting a towel, paper towel, whatever you have laying around, put it around the filter housing so that way you don't spill any excess oil around the engine. Go ahead and get your 36mm socket and go ahead and crack that filter housing loose. We're going with the liquid moly today, 5W40, new filter, and a drain plug with a crusher washer on it. For anyone that's interested in this kit, I got this from FCP Euro. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. Now, if you guys want to get technical with this, you can go ahead and bust out the digital torque wrench and torque that to 25 Newton meters plus 5 Newton meters. Now, don't forget to clean up your mess. Make sure to use a lot of that brake cleaner. Spray it freely. Don't be scared. Make sure that thing is clean. Alright, we're gonna load up this baby with 7 quarts of liquid moly 5W40 synthetic oil. Alright guys, let's go ahead and reset the odometer and also the car computer. And go here and then hold till it says 0. Okay, then go to car. All right, now we're gonna reset it with the diagnostics tool, which I have here. Let's go to small maintenance. okay with the 180, 75 kilometers. Equivalent is equivalent to, I believe, 4,600 miles, 45. Should be able to take care of the maintenance due on the cluster. You're going to need a VACCOM or a diagnosis tool to get rid of that message for sure. And that was good. So we'll move on to the high maintenance. This one's fine. It's 130 days. We'll wait for that to clear up and we should be good. There you have it. We replaced the spark plugs. We changed the oil, new filter. We reset the odometer. That wraps it up for this video. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.